Good day everyone, I am Nohasin Ashura Harbi Abdullah PC23177 and today I will present assignment 1 for the MonsoonSim business simulation project. First, the location strategy. Item 1 open a retail store in several areas such as Alostar, Malacca, Johor Bahru and Terengganu. And Ipoh. In item 2, we focus only on stranger locations like Malacca, Terengganu, Penang and Johor Bahru to improve efficiency and reduce costs. For profit and loss, item 2 performed better overall. Revenue increased from 54 million ringgit to 62 million ringgit, mainly because of higher B2B sales. Although retail sales decreased slightly, operating expenses were reduced and net profit increased from 30 million ringgit to 40 million ringgit. For retail performance, Malacca and Johor Bahru were the stronger location, while Penang showed a good potential as a new location in item 2. In terms of operating expenses, the company successfully reduced its salary costs, rental expenses and warehouse overflow costs, showing a better inventory and cost management. Lastly, the balance sheet and cash flow also improved slightly in item 2, showing a better financial management and cost control. In conclusion, item 2 was more effective because the company focused on better location, control costs and improved operational efficiency.
For this planning and strategy session, our team focused on improving business performance through several strategies. First, we open store in select location and insert an all store with full stock to maximize sales. We also separate retail and B2B operation and focus more on B2B bidding to gain higher profit. Next, we launch marketing campaigns and use media platform to increase customer awareness and demand. We say that we adjust price based on market demand and negotiate with suppliers to reduce procurement costs while maintaining profit margins. Lastly, we control operating expenses, improve team communication, and reduce unnecessary costs to achieve better overall performance and probability. For this section, we compare the advantage and disadvantage between item 1 and item 2. In item 1, the advantage will wider market coverage, less store size with higher sale quantity, and strategy warehouse location for efficient distribution. However, the disadvantage include high operating costs, less focus on B2B sale and inefficient store size. Meanwhile, in item 2, the company achieved higher overall revenue, stronger B2B sale growth, and better cost control by reducing retail and salary expenses. However, retail sales decreased, the company became too dependent on B2B, and higher penalties and interest costs affected profit efficiency. Overall, item 2 showed better financial performance despite having several operational challenges. For this continuous improvement assignment, we identify 4 main areas to improve the company performance. First, improving cost control to reduce COGS and operational waste. Second, strengthening retail sales strategy through better promotion and customer experience. Third, improving demand forecasting and inventory management to maintain better stock control. And lastly, optimizing marketing and pricing strategy to increase the company's profitability.
Assignment 2 focus on wider market coverage with 7 retail locations. In item 2, warehouse size was reduced to improve cost efficiency while maintaining retail operations. Overall, performance in items 2 slightly decreased. Retail sale dropped but B2B, e-commerce and service sale increased. Operating expenses were lower, showing better cost. In item 1, Penang performed the best. In item 2, Johor Bahru became the top performing location. Some areas show lower sale, but overall market potential was identified more clearly. Salary, rental and maintenance costs decreased in item 2. However, penalties and interest expense increased. Overall, the company achieved better expense control. Total assets and cash in bank decreased in item 2, causing a slightly weaker liquidity position. This shows the company had lower financial strength compared to item 1. Cash flow performance declined in item 2 with lower operating cash flow and ending cash balance. However, inventory and asset management became more efficient.
My name is Rabiatul Adam binti Hadi. First, I will explain about planning and strategy. During day 1 setup, we open retail store, prepare machine, and ensure enough raw material for operations. Next, for operation strategy, we manage inventory and maintain production efficiency to avoid shortage. For marketing strategy, we focus on B2B activities by giving fast quotation and competitive pricing to increase customer demand. We also control pricing and procurement costs to maintain profit margins. Lastly, our team work together effectively and manage operational costs carefully to ensure smooth business performance. Further advantage include wide market coverage, smooth production flow, effective team coordination, and better operation management. However, further disadvantage were lower net profit, reduced cash flow, lower inventory level, and slightly weaker business efficiency compared to item 1. Continuous improvement, we aim to improve cost control to increase profit, strengthen sales performance for better cash flow, and improve inventory management through accurate demand forecasting. We also focus on efficient planning to avoid stock shortage and overstocking in future operations.